I am Sanchaita. I welcome you in the book reading session of Mr. Kiran Kurwade. So let me just tell you some of the benefit of book reading. It's not only good for acknowledging your mind with positive thoughts and vibes, but book reading can also help you deal with your stress, with dementia, and it also increases the memory of your brain and also help with the cognitive development. আমি বাঙালি আর আমি আপনাদের সকলকে নিমন্ত্রিত করছি মিস্টার কিরণ কুরওয়ারের বুক রিডিং সেশনের জন্য। বই পড়া কিন্তু খুব ভালো একটা অভ্যেস, এতে আমি আছি, আপনারা কি আমার সাথে আছেন? থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
मुझे ज़्यादा बंगाली नहीं आती है, मुझे तो बस बंगाली में इतना ही पता है, আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি, और ज़्यादा আমি তোমাকে खूब ভালোবাসি। हाँ, मुझे बंगाली में एक और चीज़ आती है, वो ये है कि जल खाबो। जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है बंगाली में खाना भी खाते हैं और पानी भी खाते हैं। बहुत प्यारी बात है। मुझे आज तक समझ में नहीं आया है कि पानी कैसे खाया जा सकता है, बट दैट्स फाइन या। बट ऑन ए सीरियस नोट, I love Bengali, I love each and every language, I love each and every culture, I love each and every kind of people, each and every kind of living being. Because the common denominator in all of us, that pure love. Thank you very much, Sanchaita. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Sanchaita. Sanchaita happens to be an MBA grad, and she didn't choose as usual which girls choose. That's basically HR or maybe finance. She's into sales and marketing. She loves challenges. She's so open-minded, so frank, right? And so honest. I really appreciate and respect Sanchaita. Sanchaita was talking about cognitive development. So keeping that cognitive abilities in mind, one of the benefits of book reading, to develop cognitive abilities. If I may pick up, and I think everyone knows this, that is, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Tony Buzon, the mind map. Yes, I have another book of Tony Buzon, this mind map. So I'm going to highlight on this book, Tony Buzon's mind map. So mind map looks like this. Now in the book, this color. The book has colored mind maps. The notes of Ranveer, the dendrites. Yes, you are right. The neuron. It's very similar to the neurons. And why most of the travelers who travel a lot, they say we learn the best when we travel. Is basically when you get exposed to new area, new challenge, new thought comes, new neuron grows, your IQ grows, your intelligence grows. Simple. I'm talking about IQ. Yeah. The contents of the book. There are several divisions and chapters on, for example, what is the amazing brain, the great brains in quandary, radiant thinking, the way ahead, brainstorming words, images, the guiding principles, and easy to get registered in our brain, easy to revisit, easy to recognize, easy to memorize. You take any word when it comes to problem solving and you make that as the central word, and all the offshoots, all the arteries. This is a wonderful technique because, as we know, the left brain is responsible for the verbal. It's all about facts and figures, the words, right? And right brain is about the images, intuitive brain. About the words, the verbal part, you are trying to make it an illustration, right? Like an image, a picture. So your left and right, both the brains are used at their best by this technique. This is my personal understanding and this is my personal perspective, and I find it very, very interesting.